Hello everyone, welcome to PS classes. So now we will discuss some examples related to ozonolysis. See here, suppose this is, what is the molecule, what is the name of this molecule? This is your ethene or ethylene. Ethene, the typic name is ethene. What happens when ethene undergoes ozonolysis? When ethene undergoes ozonolysis, first of all it will form an intermediate ozonide. So how will you write the ozonide? First of all, what you will do, break the double bond which is present between two carbon atoms. So here one carbon atom, here one carbon atom, break that double bond, and to this carbon atom two hydrogens are attached. So you also attach two hydrogen atoms. Okay, now put the three O3 means three oxygen atoms. So put these oxygen atoms in a rearranged manner like this. See here. Okay, so this is your ozonide molecule. Ozonide molecule is an intermediate. Now here what happens again when this further on treatment with zinc and undergo hydrolysis. Zinc, the H2O in presence of zinc dust and water. Then what happens here? Here there is a cleavage takes place. There is a cleavage takes place. Okay, and the compound formed is like this. If this bond goes to this position, this will goes to this position, and this will be removed. So your side product will be H2O2 water. You take that oxygen, or you can write also ZNO plus H2O. And what are the two products formed? HC. In between these two there is a double bond, HC double bond OH. Okay, formaldehyde. Similarly here also plus HC double bond OH, HC double bond OH. That means when ethylene undergoes hydrolysis, when ethylene undergoes ozonolysis, the corresponding product is two molecules of same aldehyde, that is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Okay. Similarly, next molecule is your, what is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is your bute 2. Okay. So when it when this molecule treated with ozone, it forms that means the ozonide product. Same case. First of all, write the two carbon atoms. Okay, to this carbon atom, one group is your methyl group is attached, another is hydrogen. So you will attach one methyl group, another hydrogen. Similarly, to this carbon, one hydrogen and another methyl group. Here also you write one hydrogen, here you will write methyl group. Okay, then put the oxygen in a rearranged manner. Right, this is oxygen, this is oxygen. So this is your ozonide. This is your ozonide intermediate. Again, further on treatment with zinc dust and hydrolysis, it will form the final product. Okay, so CH3C double bond OH, CH3C double bond OH, one is acetaldehyde. Here also CH3C double bond OH, that means here this bond goes to this position, here and here. So two molecules CH3C double bond OH, so two molecules of acetaldehyde, okay, plus H2O2. Similarly, tell me what are the products you will get. What is the name of this compound first? 1, 2, 3, 4 in two position, or you can also write 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. Everywhere two position is a double bond. So that means the compound is 1, 2, 3, 4. ये three position में आ जाता है substitute. So you have to proceed like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. So in two position there is a methyl group. So 2 methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4 bute 2 EN. Okay, 2 methyl bute 2 EN. So here what happens again on ozonolysis? Here first of all write the two carbon atoms. To this carbon two methyl groups are attached. You also attach two methyl groups. Here it is CH3. And to this carbon one hydrogen, another methyl group, one hydrogen, another methyl group. Okay, again put the oxygen in a rearranged manner. Okay, this is the ozonide product. Ozonide product. This ozonide again on hydrolysis in presence of zinc dust and water, ZnH2O. Same here also cleavage takes place, and you will get one is a CH3C double bond O CH3, that is acetone, CH3C double bond O CH3, that is your acetone. Okay, and another one is CH3C double bond OH, that is acetaldehyde, CH3C double bond OH, that is acetaldehyde plus H2O2. Okay, so this is the example where you have to write the ozonide product as well as the final product from the corresponding alkenes. Okay, now next we will discuss what are the tricks to know the reactants and what are the tricks to know the product. That means without doing the intermediate, without writing the intermediate ozonide product, without writing the mechanism, how will you know the reactant from the product side, product molecules, and how will you know the products from the reactant molecules? In different entrance examinations like NEET, JEE and your competitive exams, you have to write only the products, either that is you identify the reactants as well as you may identify the product. So what is the easy trick without doing the mechanism? See here, suppose let us take this example, ethylene. Suppose we will take ethylene, and without doing this, how will you know that the two formaldehyde molecules will be formed? See here, so here first of all, how to know the reactants from the product side. That means if the question is given to you, is the product molecules to formaldehyde is given to you, and how will you know that from which alkene these products are formed? Okay, so see here, if I will write formaldehyde HC double bond OH, okay, this is a formaldehyde. Similarly, see here how many formaldehyde molecules are there? 2 formaldehyde molecules. Okay, so here also I will write the formaldehyde, 2 molecules of formaldehyde. Okay, now what you will do, remove the oxygen O2 here, okay, and attach these 2 carbons by the double bond. See here, CH2 double bond CH2. So you will get the alkene. See here, what is the alkene? The alkene is ethene. Okay, I will get ethene here. These are ethene. So to know the reactant from the product molecules, what you will do, you will write the 2 carbonyl compounds, oxygens face to face each other, and remove the O2 molecule and join the 2 compounds by the carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, similarly, see here again, here see here the product is 2 molecules of acetaldehyde. If I will write 2 molecules of acetaldehyde, if I write 2 molecules of acetaldehyde, suppose this is CH3 C double bond OH, this is 1 molecule of acetaldehyde plus this is another molecule of acetaldehyde CH3H. Okay, so here again you will remove the O here, okay, and join this by double bond CH3 CH double bond CH3H. Okay, now what is the name of this compound? See here, 1 2 3 4. So it is your bute 2-ene. See here, if you will take 2 molecules of acetaldehyde, the alkene is bute 2-ene. Okay, so this is your acetaldehyde, 2 molecules of acetaldehyde, and this is 2 molecules of formaldehyde. Okay, so this is the trick to know the reactant from the product molecules. Okay, similarly, same, how will you know the products from the reactant molecule? If the reactant is given to you, how will you know the product? So see an easy trick. This is a trick to remember the product. Suppose if this is given to you, the reactant is given to you, this is your ethene. Without doing the reaction or intermediate reaction, how will you know the product? See here, if I will write the ethylene molecule CH2 double bond CH2, this is our reactant. Okay, this is your ethylene. Now how will you know the product? Just cleavage here in between the carbon and carbon double bond, cleavage that carbon and carbon double bond, and put 2 oxygens here. Okay, now you will get the product. See here, now to this carbon 2 hydrogens are attached. If I write the hydrogen like this, that oxygen is attached to the carbon by double bond, put a double bond here. Similarly, same case here also, to this carbon there is a double bond to this carbon, and here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. That means here when alkene or ethene undergoes ozonolysis, you will get 2 molecules of formaldehyde, See here, when ethene undergoes ozonolysis without doing the ozonide product, we'll know these are the 2 molecules of formaldehyde. Same case, if we'll do the third one here, 2-methyl-but-2-ene. Okay, suppose, see here, 2-methyl-but-2-ene. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 position, there is a methyl group, but-2-ene. So first of all, we'll write the compound CH3, CH, this is your 2-methyl-but-2-ene, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it is your 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 2-methyl-but-2-ene. So if this reactant is given to you, what we will do? We will, there is a cleavage, carbon-carbon double bond. You break this bond and put oxygen here, put oxygen here. Okay. Now how will you write the products here? First of all, this carbon, to this carbon 2 methyl groups are attached. So 2 methyl groups are attached. One is CH3, this is one CH3. This oxygen will be attached to carbon by a double bond. So double bond. Similarly here CH3, CH, CH3, CH. This oxygen is also attached to the carbon by a double bond. So what is the name of this compound? This is your acetone. This is your acetone, and this is your acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. So see here, if this compound undergoes ozonolysis, you will get acetone and acetaldehyde. See here, when we will do this compound on ozonolysis gives acetone, and this one is your acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Okay. So these are the 2 tricks by which you can write the